Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by cutting power to the fridge and removing all removable shelves so you can reach the seal. Once done, loosen any visible screws and test the lip to see if the gasket snaps out or needs pulling from a track. This tells you the mounting method. Use rubbing alcohol on a cloth to clean the channel. Dirt prevents adhesion. If screws hold the gasket, remove them now. If it's glued, only pry gently to avoid damaging the track. You'll align the new gasket starting at the top center so the corners seat properly. Press the bead into the channel evenly while moving toward each side. Make sure to heat stubborn areas briefly with a hair dryer. This softens the rubber and helps it form to the frame. Once seated, reinsert screws or fasteners finger tight first, then snug. Avoid over-torquing. Check each corner and the door edge to confirm the gasket sits flat and continuous without twists or gaps. You finish by closing the door and performing a simple dollar bill test. Slide a bill into the seal at several spots. If it pulls out easily, adjust that area. Make small fixes by reheating and reseating the gasket or by slightly tightening screws. If the leak persists, check that the door is level and hinges aren't sagging. Let the new gasket set for about 24 hours, then monitor temperature and condensation. Troubleshooting tip: if persistent gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.